Heritage Unit! I haven't seen this since last year. Look at that engine! I thought there's only one heritage unit, but there's two. The Norfolk Southern Railway. Second time seeing this heritage unit. That's that engine. Second time see trailing. I caught this heritage unit in Pennsylvania like right now. And this is last year. He's on a coal train, pushing it towards here. But man, it's good to see this again. Recreating those memories from last year. I'm not excited to see this heritage unit again, but you know, it's good to see it again. I was like 10 years old when I filmed that engine. It's good to see again. Norfolk Southern Railway, yoo-hoo! There it is! Last time! I hope I get to see you again, Heritage Unit. The Norfolk Southern Railway. I hope I get to see you again. Signing out.